everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my favorites for the month of March. And I do want to say I might get lipstick on my teeth. It's just this lipstick that I'm wearing. If I do, I apologize now because I won't really be able to tell until I edit, to be honest. But yeah, let's just jump into my favorites for the month of March. No wait, I'm so sorry, it's April for the month of April. I was so excited that I got it right too. My favorite for the month of April is honestly this watermelon skin food face mask. I've been doing it once or twice a week and I love it. I love the way my skin looks when I do it, and I love the way it smells. I did do the review video at the end of March, so I literally had the whole month of April to test it out, and I really do love it. I'm happy that I gave the review of my video that rating, because it's just a brilliant face mask and I do love it. And I put a lot on my face, and I don't have a small face. I have a pretty big face, I think. And I still have a lot of product left. I have little, I only used a little bit. I hope you guys can see that. But I have been loving this face mask. I literally used it last night. I really do like it. My next favorite item, I've been wanting to buy one of these. I know Sigma sells them, but I don't want to spend $30 for a huge one when I could get this one for I think I paid only $10 or $9 for this, because I had Ulta. I bought at Ulta. I had the rewards, and there was the $3.50 off coupon and all that jazz. So I really like this. It came with a small sample of their brush cleaner, which I want to get because it smells really good. But I love this. This is brilliant. It cleans deep and all through the bristles, which I really like, because it has 3 different for eyeshadow brushes, bigger brushes, and big powder brushes. I really like this, and it's easy to clean the brushes with. Another thing that I have been loving is my Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. I use this every morning because the one that I've been using is too heavy for the morning, so I use that one at night. I've been using this and I really do like it. I used to use the Neutrogena, that blue hydro one. I don't remember the name of it, but I was all out of it. I didn't have time to go to the store, to buy a new one. So I had this little deluxe sample, and I actually really do like it. But once this one is out, I'm gonna go back to my Neutrogena blue jar one. I don't know if I talked about this in my last favorites, but I love this foundation. I'm in the shade 205, which I think is slightly too dark for me. On camera, I feel like it looks pretty good, but in person, when I take pictures, I don't know, I feel like it's just a little too dark, but it is summertime now, so I think it will match pretty well. I really do like it. I'm wearing it. I wore it for the past 2 months. Been wearing it for the past 2 months. I really do love it. So I've been really grabbing a lot is the satin lip from ColourPop, the Echo Park. This is Echo Park, and I just love the way it looks on me. And then this one is Donut, which I grab all the time, and this is an ultra matte lip stain, which I personally, I don't know, I love, because there's some of them that I love and there's some of them that I just can't stand, the ultra matte. So this is the Donut. I just love the way the donut looks on my skin. I did wear these a lot in the month of April. This is the Face Shop, and this is another cream brand that I really do like, and this is the Jeju Aloe Soothing Gel, and I actually used quite a bit of it, as you can see, and I put it on my arms because my arms get really dry during the summertime, and I just love the way it smells. It's just a product that I really like. And the only reason why I first got this product was because a group called EXO was endorsing it. So I was like, I have to try it. I have to try it. So I tried it and I ended up loving it. So yeah, that is my last beauty favorite, I think, for the month of April. Now, if you guys enjoyed this favorites for the month of April, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and tell your friends about me. Until my next video, I shall see you guys next time.